If you want a way to bridge the gap between your love of driving remote-controlled vehicles and your engineering background, getting a job in national security as a drone pilot is the way to do it. Drone pilots at top companies like CACI have the opportunity to use an engineering background to build drones as well as competently fly them. And for many positions, you only need to be eligible for a clearance, not currently have one, to get your foot in the door. An engineering degree is the first step. Next is the ability to actually fly a drone, which takes a bit of practice. And in order to take your recreational drone use and make it a real job, you'll need to get FAA certification. Just because you'll be flying drones all day doesn't mean that you need to have project management and communication skills. Being a drone pilot isn't just about making Amazon deliveries. It includes mapping out flight patterns and understanding the threat landscape and national security that drones are helping the U.S. to solve. The drone industry shows no sign of slowing down, and countries all around the world are developing manned and unmanned vehicles. The work will only continue to grow for this niche field as the U.S. feels the competition from countries like Russia and China. According to the FAA, in the U.S., there are currently 869,614 registered drones. That number includes commercial and recreational drones. And there are over 240,000 certified pilots. Interest in the field continues to grow, and adding drone skills to your engineering degree can only open up opportunities for you in national security. The good news is that this is a career that translates well into multiple industries, from law enforcement to insurance agencies to agriculture. The roles and opportunities for drone pilots are sky high.